Hello, I'm so glad you're joining me today for this energizing Suryanamaskar practice. Let's get started with a quick, gentle warm up.
Gently drop your chin towards your chest. Roll your right ear towards your right shoulder. Then your head back. Then your left ear towards your left shoulder. And finally, your chin back to your chest. Repeat this clockwise movement 2 to 3 times. Then reverse the direction and roll counterclockwise for another 2 to 3 times. Keep the movement slow and smooth. Place your fingertips on your shoulders. Inhale and bring your elbows forward and up towards your ears. Exhale and circle your elbows back and down. Repeat this forward rotation 3 to 4 times. Then reverse the direction. Inhale and bring your elbows back and up, and exhale as you bring them forward and down. Extend your arms straight out in front of you. Make a fist. Gently rotate your wrists clockwise 3 to 4 times and then counterclockwise 3 to 4 times. Next, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right foot slightly off the ground and rotate your ankle clockwise 3 to 4 times. Then counterclockwise 3 to 4 times. Repeat with your left foot. Place your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing downwards. Gently inhale and lean back slightly, opening your chest. Hold for a breath. And then exhale and return to the standing position. Repeat this 2 to 3 times, being mindful not to overstretch. Now that our bodies are gently warmed up, let us begin the Suryanamaskar. We'll move through this first round at a slower pace to focus on alignment. Stand at the front of your mat, feet together, weight evenly distributed. Exhale and bring your palms together in front of your chest in prayer position. Keep your back straight. This pose brings balance and sets your intention. Inhale deeply and lift both arms overhead. Gently arch your back as much as comfortable, lengthening your spine. This opens your chest and shoulders, increasing blood flow in your upper body. Exhale and bend forward from your waist. Reach your hands towards your toes, maybe placing your palms flat on the floor beside your feet. Bend your knees if you can't reach the floor, keeping your spine as straight as possible to protect your lower back. Relax your shoulders and neck. This increases blood flow to your head and stretches your hamstrings and back muscles. Inhale deeply and extend your right leg back. Keep your other leg bent at the knee, foot flat between your palms. Gently push your hips towards the floor and look upwards, opening your chest. This stretches the hip flexors of your extended leg and strengthens the front leg, while the slight back bend opens your chest and increases lung capacity. Exhale and bring your left leg back to meet the right leg, aligning your body in a straight line from head to heels, like a plank. Ensure your shoulders are directly above your wrists and engage your core for stability. Keep your neck relaxed and in line with your spine. This strengthens your core, arms, and shoulders, improving overall stability. Exhale and gently lower your knees, chest, and chin to the floor, keeping your hips slightly raised. Keep your hands on the floor beside your chest. This transition stretches the front of your body and engages your back muscles. Inhale and slide your chest forward and upwards, lifting your torso into a gentle back bend. Keep your hands firmly on the floor, elbows close to your ribs. This strengthens your spine, chest, and abdominal muscles, improving your posture. Exhale and lift your hips and tailbone upwards and backwards, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your palms and heels towards the ground. Relax your neck and shoulders. This stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine while strengthening your arms and shoulders. Inhale and bring your right leg forward between your hands. Look forward, maintaining the stretch in your hip flexors. Exhale and bring your left leg forward to meet your right leg. Keep your torso bent forward, hands on the floor or holding your ankles. Inhale and lift your arms back and upwards with a gentle backward arch. Look towards the ceiling, providing an upward and backward stretch. Exhale and lower your arms and bring your palms together in Namaste at the center of your chest. This final pose returns you to the initial stance, completing the first half of the sun salutation. Moving to the left side, inhale deeply and lift both arms overhead. Exhale and fold in from your waist. Reach your hands towards your toes. Inhale and extend your left leg back. Rest your front foot squarely between your palms for balance. Exhale and bring your right leg back and come into a plank. Maintain a straight line. Exhale and bring your knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Chest between your palms, leaving your hips slightly raised. Inhale and slide your chest up into Cobra. Keep your elbows close to your ribs and lift from your back muscles. Exhale and come in to Downward Dog. Feel free to bend your knees slightly, straighten your spine, and reach your head towards the mat. Inhale and bring your left leg forward. If it doesn't reach to the top, grab your left shin and place the foot between your hands. Exhale and bring your right leg forward. Bend the knees slightly, fold from your waist, and straighten your spine. Inhale and rise up with your arms next to your ears and back for a slight bend. Exhale as you release and bring your palms to your heart. Let's move to round 2. Inhale, reach your arms up and back into a gentle backward bend. Exhale, hinge at your hips and fold forward. Inhale, step your right leg back, lowering your right knee and looking up. Exhale, bring your left leg back to meet the right into a plank. Exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, Untuck your toes and slide up into cobra, lifting your chest. Exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your right leg forward, lowering your left knee and looking up. Exhale, bring your left leg forward to meet the right. Inhale, rise up with arms reaching overhead. Exhale, return your palms to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up and back into a gentle backward bend. Exhale as you fold forward, keeping your back straight. Inhale and step your left leg back. Exhale, bring your right leg back into a plank and take a breath in. Exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin to the mat. Inhale, slide up in cobra and roll your shoulders back. Exhale, push back to downward facing dog. You can have a gentle bend in your knees and push your shoulders in. Inhale, bring your left leg forward between your palms. Exhale, bring your right leg forward and straighten your back. Inhale, swipe your arms up and back into a backward bend. Exhale, return your palms to your heart. On to our last round on both sides. Inhale, reach your arms up and back. Exhale, fold forward and reach your palms to the mat. Inhale, step your right leg back. Exhale as you step your left leg back and come into a plank, and then inhale. Exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale and tuck your toes, slide up in cobra and engage your core. Exhale, push your hips up in downward dog and keep your spine flat. You step your right leg forward. Exhale, bring your left leg forward and straighten your back. Inhale and sweep your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up and bend backward. Exhale, fold forward and reach your palms to the mat. Inhale, step your left leg back. Exhale as you come into a plank and inhale. Exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin to the ground, leaving your hips slightly raised. Inhale, slide up in cobra and gaze forward. Exhale, push your hips up in downward dog and keep your spine flat. Inhale, bring your left leg forward between your palms. Exhale, bring your right leg forward and straighten your back. Inhale and sweep your arms up in a backward bend. Exhale, hands to your heart. Carry this feeling of calm and energy with you as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.